Check out this very easy, simple, fast and very effective way to promote your CPA marketing offers and start making money online right now. So this is going to be an amazing strategy I'm going to walk you through right now. But before we do that right there, if you're new to my channel, I create videos on ways you could make money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that can actually help you out right now. And you want to make sure, guys, that you're also subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos like this that can help you out in boosting your income online. With that being said, let's cut right to the chase right now. So basically what you want to get done first is to register for a CPA marketing platform right here like CPA Grip. You want to just simply click on register, be brought to this page, provide your basic details on all the fields having these red asterisk signs, as that field indicates the required field you must fill out before an account can be created on this platform. So once you do that right there, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out and go on to creating your account. Once you successfully create your account, log into your account, be brought to a page such as this, and to get to this page, just simply come right here, select the offer tools option, select my offers, and come onto this page right here. You can filter your offers to the United States. Why I'm using the United States? Because our traffic source is actually going to be getting most of its traffic from the United States. That is, the website we're actually going to be using gets most of its traffic from the United States. And that website is none other than this platform right here called Pinterest.com. Pinterest is absolutely an amazing website which a lot of people use as a form of search engine. If you do go on to analyzing Pinterest right there using similar web statistics, you will actually do find out that Pinterest gets about 1.1 billion visits in the last 28 days. That's a huge amount of traffic which Pinterest gets right there. And if you do go to checking for the countries that visit this website the most, you can see that United States is the country that visits this website the most, and it actually has about 37.14% of this website's entire traffic. You can see that Brazil constitutes of 8% of the website traffic, Russia 5%, India almost 5%, and Colombia about 2.45%. That's actually why I'm actually promoting the United States offers, because they actually constitute a higher percentage of traffic to the Pinterest website compared to any other country out there. So once you actually do go on to CPA Grip, select a very cool sweepstake offer. You can actually do filter the offer based on payouts. Maybe if I want to promote a giveaway offer such as this, all this actually needs or entails right here that your lead needs to come from the United States. They need to be using a desktop device to submit their email address and zip code while going through a survey using this your unique affiliate link right here that you can see, and you're going to get paid $2.31 for every person that fits into that category and does that. So all you need to do is to copy the link right here. You may want to just simply create a simple landing page using any landing page builder site of your choice. I'm not going to walk you through how you can do that because I already have videos for you that teaches you just how to do that. If you want to gain access to such videos, head on to my channel right here, OJ Marketing, and you want to just simply click on this search icon and go on to type in a landing page. If you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see the videos right there I created for you that could help you create simple landing pages with various platforms like Systemy.io, Webflow, Google Sites, Breezy.cloud, and so on and so forth. So check out those videos as they could help you create simple landing pages. So right now, guys, once you've created a landing page, you want to just simply go on to copy the link to that landing page and head on to this platform right here, which is called qrcodegenerator.com. So it's qr-code-generator.com, as you can see right here on the screen. So all you need to do is to paste in that particular link right here, be it your CPA marketing offer direct link or your landing page link right here. Paste in that link right here, and that link is going to be converted to a QR code. You can see the QR code right here. Make sure you're going to select in a very cool frame and click on download. The QR code will be downloaded on your device for absolutely free. Then you can just simply go on to promoting that particular CPA marketing offer just by utilizing that QR code. As you can see, that has been downloaded right here. To promote your offers right now, you want to just simply go onto platforms like Pixels right here, or you may just simply use Pixabay to get royalty-free stock footages and videos that you could go on to utilizing. Make sure you create videos that grab people's attention, because with Pinterest, you actually need to be able to get people's attention to stuff that you actually do go on to posting on that platform. So you may actually want to also go on to getting content from platforms like Instagram right here. Maybe you could actually go on to focusing on channels that actually focuses on making money. So if you do go on to focusing on videos that actually give you focuses on making money or making money inspirational guides right there, just simply download such videos, because you can go on to repurposing such videos right there. You may also go on to getting such kind of videos from TikTok right here. As you can see, the money motivation on TikTok, these are actually cool videos that you can just simply go on to getting right now. Get such cool videos and go on to uploading that on Pinterest. Now before you do upload that on Pinterest, you may just simply want to just simply go into a new tab and go onto this platform right here, which is actually called canva.com. Once you do head onto canva.com right here, all you need to do is to just simply put in Pinterest pin in this search icon right here. So if you do go into searching for the Pinterest pin right now, it's going to bring you to a page such as this, where you can actually do see lots of different templates you could just simply go on to utilizing right now, or you could just simply create yours from scratch. Maybe if I go on to checking out one of my projects right here on the Pinterest pin designs right there, you can actually do see some of my projects right here, but I'm going to go back to that template right here because I want to just simply utilize a Pinterest pin. So if I'd actually go to selecting maybe this template right here, and I just simply click on customize template, maybe I want to just simply go on to starting from scratch to create something, or to just simply utilize my image I downloaded from platforms like Pixabay, Pinterest, or maybe Instagram and so on, all my videos right there. All I need to do is to just simply delete the images right there. Maybe I'm just going to highlight that and delete everything. Then you could just simply come right here, go on to uploading that particular image or video in this particular section. If I'm utilizing a video, I'm just going to come right here. Maybe if this is the video right now, or I'm just going to go on to searching for a cool video, all you need to do is just simply upload that right here in this section. You can actually do see that these are all videos I uploaded right here. For instance, let me just simply take this as an example. If this is the video right here that was downloaded, all you actually need to do right now is to just simply paste in the video right here, and you just simply need to go on to uploading that particular QR code which you downloaded right there for our CPA marketing offer. If you do upload that right here, you could just simply drag that to the top section right here and just simply insert that right somewhere here. Then you could just simply put in a text right now by going into the text section and actually do say something like for giveaway. You can see it says for giveaway, and this particular code right here says scan me. Maybe if you want to make that quite visible, you can actually go on to inserting a shape at the background right there. As you can see, I actually inserted a shape from the element section right there. I'm just going to drag that to this top section and just simply bring that right in here. Maybe I can actually reduce the size right here, and you can see how cool this actually looks like. It looks much more visible right now. So if you do put in something like this and you go on to downloading this right here, maybe I'm just going to download this on my device. As you can actually do see right here, the downloading process is actually in progress. So once this has actually been downloaded, all you need to do right now is to head back to Pinterest, click on this home feed right here. You want to click on create pin after creating a Pinterest account right here, because Pinterest gets a lot of traffic. You can actually go on to monetizing that traffic right now. So basically guys, once that has actually been downloaded, all you need to do is to just simply upload the video right here on Pinterest right now, because that video is actually kind of money related video. A lot of people will be interested in that kind of video right now. So you just need to come onto this particular section. Maybe I'm just going to come right here and drag the video and drop right here in this section. You can see right here the video has actually been uploaded right here. All you need to do is to give it a very cool title, a cool description. Maybe you may actually not need to add a link, but if you want to add a link to your CPA offer right there, or to your landing page, and actually going to filling out all these details before publishing this particular pin on Pinterest. That's actually going to be a very cool way and effective way to get a lot of traffic to your CPA offers. So you may actually want to just simply stick on with this strategy and get as many videos as you can, or as many content as you can from other social media platforms and other platforms like Pixels and Pixabay right now, to go on to getting some cool content that you can also go on to publishing on Pinterest right now and utilize that to get a lot of traffic. Make sure you're consistent with this and post about 4 to 5 times each and every single day right here to get lots of traffic right here and a lot of attention and make full cash online. So guys, that's it for now. That's it for this strategy. If this video added any form of value, hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.